Hello learner, my name is Rahul Mishra and today we are going to learn counter. So what is counter? Counter is to increment value. You can use in your script for some loop concept. This number of times you want to loop it, so you can count the values, and when it is reach to this variable, the variable is if condition, you can uh, escape from that loop. So different type of either in loop you can provide the number of variable, but counter, if this is thing happen, and different ways you can provide a variable runtime 1 2 3, you can add those values. So different places, different value as per the situation, you can use this. How to get so in either in test plan or in threat level, both in both level it is available. Click on add and config element, and you in config element you will get the counter, and similarly in test plan level add config element and counter. So this is a way you can add it. For in script I added one counter. So starting value is 1. Here it's start from here. Increment is value. If you want to increase by 2 3, you can put this value. So maximum it will reach to 400, or it's up to you till what point you can give it. Number format, if you are not providing anything, uh, it will use so undo will work here. So it will use 1 2 3 4, and if you provided n number, so it will use the that format. And counter is a variable name. If you want to use, so variable value will be get on the counter, so that's I can print it for demo purpose. And track independently each user and reset the counter for the each thread group name. Also suggested that how it is working. So let's demo it how these things are working. I run the script. Okay, it's too fast. So 0 0 1 1 2 3 4, you can see here. And if I change the format, say my script again run, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, the format gets changed. So that's it for the loop. Thank you.